Welcome everyone to this review of the Phomemo portable label maker. This thing is actually a really trick little bit of apparatus here. The company did send me this to review it, and I have to say I've been over the moon. I do like to label things around the shop here. I have so much junk, and keeping it all kind of labeled gives at least my heirs a way to know what they've got coming their way. But you know, this thing is a unique take on the label maker design, and it has a ton of available tapes available for all different looks, from wild to mild. It doesn't matter. But what's nice about this, and what's very unique about it, is it actually uses the phone that's already in your pocket as the interface for the unit. So this unit is Bluetooth, so all you're going to do is open it up, power it on, link it to your phone. The app couldn't be easier to get. We're going to take a look at that in a minute, but let's take a deeper dive into the Phomemo portable label maker. So this is what comes in the box when you get it. You get the label maker, the label printer right here, which does have a USB-C charging port. This is the power on. Pretty simple interface. This is for cutting or trimming the label material after it's printed. You push down on that, you can see where the cartridge goes, right down inside of there. It's all really straightforward, but it does come with a very well written and clear manual in the language of your choice. Of course, mine is English. But what's important here is that you can download the app for the printer just by using this QR code right here. You just take a picture of that with your phone, it'll give you the link, and then you're off to the races. You can get to the printer app itself. This unit also comes with a USB-C cable. So if you've got a regular USB power source, you can charge this anywhere you want. I haven't even come close to running this thing out of battery yet, so I really have no idea how long it lasts, other than to say that it's a pretty long time. This is the Printmaster Label Maker app already installed on my phone. You can see one of my previous labels on there already. It's one thing that's really nice about this. It really does give you an interface you're already used to using, in that it's your telephone, and you can create really cool, visually intriguing label designs quite quickly. And when you're ready to go, you're just going to turn your printer on. See our green light there? And we can see the printer is connected. We can select this label, and we can go ahead and print. Then we just trim it off, peel off the laminate part, and we've got another label. Create any label you want, lots of text and font options, lots of borders. Really a lot of stuff packed in this app. You get the app for free. All that you pay for is the printer itself, which I thought was great value. I thought this was a fantastic value for the money. And granted, they did supply this to me, but it's become my new label maker here in the shop. Thanks for watching.